Judd today, and we want you to realize that he's gone so far over on his trimming intervals. He has excess feet, excess growth of foot, and it's all grown forward. So we will take a minute to show you when we say the length of the toe has gotten too long. We're picking a point right here in the center, and we're going right straight down the center of that foot. When I put a ruler on it, it's 4 inches all the way to here. He needs to be at about 3 3/8. So that excess growth is what will be removed. He also has grown long in the heels, and that's at an angle. The furthest point rearward is called the buttress. The buttress is all the way to here. If he were used on hard ground, he'd get a great big raise in the hairline. He's gone past on his interval, but the rein and the pasture is soft enough that the hairlines have a straight line from the center of the toe all the way to the bulb. And that's on every foot. We're going to pick up the bottom of this foot